Foam traps particles and debris for mechanical filtration. Tailored fit prevents bypass. Provides biological filtration as friendly bacteria grow inside pore structure. Replacement media designed to fit the AquaClear 20 filter. Suitable for both freshwater and saltwater aquariums up to 20 gallons. Includes 3 AquaClear 20 foam filter inserts. Top reviews from the United States. Functional. I bought these to slow down my filter to be safer for my shrimp. I cut a hole in a chunk of one of these sponges and slid it over the intake tube of my filter, so baby shrimp won't get sucked in through the holes. It's ugly because you can see the dirt on the white sponge, but functionality is what I was more concerned about. I also wedged another chunk over the output of my filter to fan out the flow so there is less of a current, so my shrimp can swim without being propelled into the wall. This sponge has pores that are kind of wide, but still make my filter safer, and I still have extra. It doesn't affect the filter's ability. For reference, I am using a Tetra brand whisper filter.